Hi everyone, this video is mainly related to speaking part, and before I think 1 or 2 months I did not record any video, but still I will try my best to add more after that. And yeah, mainly focus on the speaking part here, like when they are questioning you, like related to some case study or some agreement or disagreement or some some kind of situation problem, like, so how you can start your answers. So in my point of view, like that, you can start your views like a general body. You have to mention one para or something. It was quite little, short time in between 1 minute, or you have to finish your answer. So my plan is that first explain 1 or 2 line, like the question whatever they have asked from your point of view, and after that you will try to put some example, and why you are putting that example, so give some reasons behind that, and after that you will try to conclude yourself in between 1 minute. Okay, it is very difficult, but if we'll practice some more questions, then it will be easy. So while I was in that test, like exam, so I prepared myself in that way, like whenever first question is totally related to situation, like kind of thing that they will ask to you, that you have to explain yourself, your point of view. Okay, so just try, like in my opinion, as far as I am concerned, or from my perspective, I contain that. Personally speaking, I believe that similar kind of thing you can use, and just finished 1 or 2 or 3 lines, like in a general way, and then you just explain your example why you are forcing that point. Okay, just give some example on that, and then justify that why you are giving that example, and then finally you have to conclude. So this is the final frame that you have to be prepared in between 1 minute. Okay, and something, if you have a time, that then you can add some more example in between, but it is very difficult to explain, because it's very short time, very well. And yeah, in reading skills, also, it was, I think, 3 or 4 paragraph in my exam. So one was a surprise for me, but still I don't know that time which one is. So I did well, but yeah, it was fine experience, good experience that time. uh, yeah, thank you. I will try to make on some more tips related to writing also, and listening also, because what was my experience in that exam, I will try to explain in next video. Thank you so much.